What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, I would like to say welcome. If you guys could, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. All that does help out the YouTube algorithm. It helps boost my video to more and more people. So I appreciate every single one of you guys that do that on all of my videos. And today, we have a banger sneaker review unboxing for you guys. And guess what? We got two of them. The 2-pack has landed. Both of them retail W's. Retail was $190. Resale is sitting anywhere between $240 to $270 depending on your size. I got one personal. I got one to, make a quick little flip, a little $50 flip, just to keep investing in more and more shoes. But without further ado, let's get right into the sneaker unboxing and let's go over this beautiful sneaker that I can't wait to start rocking. So for the first pickup right here, I went with my size, a size 11 and a half. Now I am normally a size 11, but in Kobe's, they do tend to run tight. So I did go up a half a size. I did get on the second pair a size 12. So if the 11 and a half is too tight, I'll rock with the size 12. But I think the 11 and a half should do. And this is the first time me seeing this. I waited for you guys. Look, I'm doing the unboxing right now. I'm doing the unboxing right now. I haven't looked at either of these pairs. Let me get this out of the way. And let me open the second box. So the first one was a retail W from Nike. Shout out to the wifey for hitting that one for me. And then the second one was from the plug, who will remain nameless because I'm not trying to have y'all all up in my spot where I get some of these retail W's. Because if I give you the name, then y'all gonna get these retail W's. And unfortunately, I won't be hitting it. So I'm gonna have to keep that spot quiet for a minute. But here is the second pair. And right off the back, okay, the box is textured. I like that. I like when they add little details like that. Toss that right to the side. So here we have both of the Kobe's, same exact box, one size 12, one size 11 and a half. So to go over the details on the box, you obviously have the Kobe logo right here, Kobe signature. And like I said, it is a textured snakeskin material type box. We got Nike branding right there. Any other details, the typical fine print at the bottom. Anything else? Nope. But here's your size tag to compare your size tag to mine to make sure yours are real. This is the size 12 size tag. And let me show you the size 11 and a half size tag right there. So y'all can compare to legit check yours. Box A1. Can't really say nothing else about it. Let's do the first look. Ooh, okay. These are super clean. I'm telling y'all right now, I'm not the biggest fan of Kobe 5s, but this colorway was a must cop. It is perfect for the season that we are in, spooky season, Halloween season. And if you guys don't know, the inspiration behind this sneaker is that iconic Kobe t-shirt that he was wearing of the x-ray of his hands that show all the broken bones, ligament tears, everything like that with all of his championship rings. So they decided to do an x-ray of his foot. It is Halloween season. One of the best-selling Air Force Ones for this time of the year is the Skeleto Air Force One. So they basically just took the Skeleto Air Force One and then that t-shirt that he had and threw it onto this sneaker, which is amazing. I love the colors on here. We have hits of deep royal blue, almost a purple hue to it, kind of giving me Charlotte Hornets colorway, but it's not that deep of a purple. It is more on the blue side, but definitely has some hues to purple to it for sure. We got hits of baby blue. And one of my favorite details about this shoe is that it is mostly glow in the dark. Yes, the entire outsole glows in the dark and the entire skeleton design glows in the dark as well. Now, let me get both pairs out of here. Let me do some quality control. I'm going to check out the size 11 and then I will check out the size 12 just to see how Nike is doing with the quality control. Now let me get this out. There's no better smell in this world than a pair of brand new sneakers. I don't know, they got some crack in there or something. But here we have both of them. Here we go. Look at this. Woo! I'm starting to feel like a little reseller. I'm over here hitting 2 pairs for retail. Come on, hit me up. Hit me up if you need any pairs. I got y'all. But here we have it, the beautiful Kobe 5. Now, honestly, I don't know too many Kobe 5 colorways other than the Bruce Lee and the Chaos. But this one right here definitely is #1 for my personal opinion. Let me know down in the comment section below, what is your favorite Kobe 5 colorway? But this one, I love the details. And like I said, this is just a super easy cop for me. If you wanted this shoe, most likely you were able to hit. There was a lot of random restock. Nike had a lot of stock numbers and the resale isn't too high, only about $50 over retail. So in my opinion, a great pickup. So to go over some of the materials, the uppers is a majority plastic with hits of mesh going throughout. We have that beautiful blue midsole with that baby blue glow-in-the-dark outsole. We have the Kobe logo right there at the bottom, Kobe signature right there on the back, and one dot for each of his championships. On his tongue, we have the Kobe logo, pretty standard on every Kobe shoe. For the insole, it is a blue insole, again with the Kobe logo. And obviously, this is a basketball sneaker, so there's a ton of cushion on the ankle area. But other than that, the big standout detail is the glow-in-the-dark skeleton foot. Like I said, perfect for Halloween season. I'm going to be rocking these this weekend with my Halloween costume because it matches perfectly. Now, we don't get any extra laces for this pair, but that is fine because I'm loving these blue laces that they come standard with. Now, as far as sizing goes, like I said earlier in the video, I do go up at least a half a size, maybe even a full size up in Kobe's because the toe box tends to be very narrow. Other than that is your standard Kobe 5 Protro with all the updated tech, and it is one of the best sneakers to hoop in. And y'all already know on this channel, we give every sneaker a rating from 1 to 10, and if I had to rate the Kobe 5 skeleton, I'm gonna give it a solid 9 out of 10. I think the colorway is super wearable. All these factors factor in to this being one of the best Kobe's to drop in 2024. It might be the best Kobe 5 colorway of all time. Yo, this is Future Tim hopping back in there. I know in the review, I gave this shoe a 9 out of 10. But to be honest with you guys, after wearing them, having them on feet for a couple of hours, this shoe might be a 10 out of 10. Yes, I know I normally reserve those 10 out of 10s for sneakers that have a little bit of nostalgia, a little bit more meaning for me. But this colorway is fire. The more and more I look at them, the glow-in-the-dark aspect, the price point, the comfortability, just the way they look on feet. Sometimes you got to put a shoe on to give it the true review. And after putting this pair on, I know originally in the video from the first look, I gave it a 9 out of 10. But I'm telling y'all, this is a 10 out of 10 sneaker. And honestly, this might be a top 3 all-time Kobe colorway. For me personally, like I said, this is my own personal opinion. I'm not telling you that it has to be your favorite Kobe, but for me, it goes the Grinches, Galaxies, and then this one comes in 3rd place for me. This is an all-time great colorway, and I love the concept, the glow-in-the-dark, the skeleton foot, the X-ray, the comfortability, wearability, durability, availability. You already know I'm all about the abilities. The greatest trait to have is availability, and these are definitely right there. They weren't so limited like the Grinches and other Kobe's. You were able to get them, and the price point is still very low. So I definitely recommend you picking this pair up ASAP before the price skyrockets, because I think this shoe will be in the future possibly a $400 to $500 shoe. But be sure to let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Are you guys rocking with the Nike Kobe 5? Do you like this colorway? Is this your favorite colorway? And were you able to hit for retail? All right, y'all. Well, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys are new here, like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's content, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to check your boy out on Instagram and TikTok. Both of those links will be down in the description box below. And if you guys are looking to join up on the Discord, I highly recommend checking out my Discord. Top link down in the description box below. Come through and show some love as we continue to build out the community over there. All right, y'all. Well, I'm going to try both of these pairs on, and whichever one fits me the best, I will be keeping, and whichever one doesn't, I will be selling. So if you guys are interested in any of these pairs, make sure to shoot me a DM on my Instagram. We might be able to work out a deal, and I might be able to hook you up for a great price. And y'all already know I cannot leave you guys without showing you the glow in the dark and the on feet shots. So let's get into that right now. So the outsoles have a very bright blue glow, but the skeleton, the X-ray on the foot and around the Nike swoosh is more of a green. On camera, they both look kind of blue, but in person, the top of the skeleton, the X-ray itself gives off a green hint to it, but the outsole, ooh, it's a beautiful blue glow. These are amazing.
Drizzy reppin' Creek, ayy. My brother Capo from the wave from the street, ayy. Wanna fuck with me, well, baby, I'm discreet, ayy. Ayy, thinking about this pill I took, pillow talking, shorty rinsing Dylan Brooks. Can't believe this nigga talking down. My bank account is Magnolia Millie rockin', ayy. Widows in my comments talking about some Millie Bobby. Look, bring them jokes up to the game, we get to really flocking. Or send a finger to your mama in some FedEx boxes. Open up, that shit is jaw dropping, really shocking, ayy. I ain't pretty Flocko, bitch, this shit get really rocky, ayy. Damn, what? Dirty how I did them in a way.
Alright y'all, so I have this size 11 and a half on, and I am a true size 11, and I definitely recommend going up at least a half a size. It is a must in all of Kobe's, at least a half a size. And I loved how the sneaker looks from the top down view. Right here, it looks just like my foot is being x-rayed through the shoe, hence the name Kobe 5 Protro X-Ray. Maybe if you have a super wide foot, you might need to go up one full size, but definitely at least a half a size in Kobe's. Otherwise, your feet are going to be screaming. It's going to be extremely tight because that toe box is extremely narrow. It's been your boy Tim. Happy Halloween, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.